Okay, now we're going to do a straight stitch. This wheel right here is your zigzag width stitch. So this is the one that's going to tell you when you turn this one, it'll move this one to the stitch that we want. Well, here's one zigzag, which is tiny, thin zigzag, all the way up to a real deep zigzag, five stitches per inch. And here, this one is what we want, the 0 straight stitch. So we're moving it down to straight stitch. We've got, right now, because we're working with the canvas, we've got our knob stitch length set at 5. There's a little red bar right here. You can see it. You can't see it in the video, but you can here. It's the number 5. You want it on. And then over here, you want your tension setting, thread tension at 7, between 7 and 8. I have it right at 7. 7 works really good right now. What we're going to do, since I've already started working with this fabric, I wanted to show you how to do a straight stitch and how I'm doing it. For the first part of it, I'm going to, I've already pinned up a 2-inch hem, and we're going to and I finger pressed it. Like I said, this stuff is not real easy to work with, but what we're going to do is have a hem so that we have an edge stitch, and then we're going to come and line the foot up to the inside seam edge for the next part. But I'm just going to show you a couple stitches, and then I'm going to turn it off and do the rest. But I wanted to show you how the stitch comes in to the end. So we want to start by going ahead and stitching a few stitches, at least 2 to 3, back stitch by pushing in the button that says R. I can't show you it while I'm stitching. And you're going to back stitch a couple. And then the easiest way is you're going to guide with the right or the left, and you're just going to hold it flat because it is canvas and it is very difficult. And you're going to just stitch down through. When you get to the end, you're going to do the same thing. Push the R button, go back 2 or 3, and then just come off the fabric. Lift up the presser foot, raise your needle, pull your fabric over to the left-hand side, and you'll cut the threads.